Hi there, today we'll see about the general form of aldehyde and ketone. Okay, what is the functional group of this aldehyde? CHO, right? And this is CO, right? So it will be written like this: double bond O, this is H, and this would be double O, right? It will be like that. Okay. So here this aldehyde functional group is always attached at the end of the carbon chain. Okay, it is always in the end, or we can mention it at the terminal. Okay, and this ketone functional group is always attached in the middle. Okay, for example, first we'll take this. Usually the derivative of this methane alkane family. Take this methane, CH4. So usually one or two hydrogen atom will be replaced by this functional group, right? So it became CH3CHO, right? CH3CHO. So what is this name? Acetaldehyde. Okay, so how many general formula is nothing but the number of carbon atoms, number of hydrogen atom present in that oxygen or carbon. Okay, general formula is nothing but only the empirical formula. Okay, nothing is there in that. Okay, it is not the structural formula and all. So we have to calculate number of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So we can derive from this, we can derive the general formula. How many carbon atoms are there? C2. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 3 plus 1, 4, H4 and 1 oxygen. Okay, so what will be the general formula of this one? CnH2nO. Can we write like this? So the general formula of ketone is CnH2nO. Clear on this? Likewise for the aldehyde. The general formula of the aldehyde is CnH2nO. Okay. So what about this ketone? Ketone is the simplest form of the ketone start with the 3 carbon atoms. Okay. So that means it is always present in the middle, means so you will have alkyl group at the ends. CH3, CH3, CO at the middle. Okay. How will you write this? So how many carbon atoms are there? 2 carbon atom, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. C3. How many hydrogen? Here 3 plus 3, 6. H6 and 1 oxygen atom, right? Okay. So shall we write this general formula? We can write it CnH2nO. Okay. So both the general formula for aldehyde and ketone is CnH2nO. This general formula denotes only the composition of how many carbon atoms are there, how many hydrogen atoms are there, how many oxygen atoms are there. Okay. In general, they will write like this: CnH2n instead of plus 2. What if we replace this by a functional group? We can write it as CnH2n plus 1 CHO. If they ask only the aldehyde, you can go for this formula with the functional group. Okay. If they ask for what's the general formula of both the